Need quick access to an important photo on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me show you how to use the View Item shortcut on the task panel from the Edge panel. It's super handy when you want to instantly open a specific photo without searching for it again in the gallery. First, you have to make sure that the task panel is on and View Item shortcut is added to the panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel, and then tap the gear icon to customize the panel. Here, make sure that the task panel is turned on. Tap Edit at the bottom of the task panel. Scroll down the screen. Under Gallery section, tap View Item. Select the desired photo. As you can see, the selected photo has been added to the task panel. Close the setting. To see how to use the shortcut, open the Edge panel again. Find Task panel. Now, tap the thumbnail of the photo to instantly open that selected photo. No need to search through your gallery again. So, given to the function, the shortcut is great for keeping an important photo just one swipe away, easy, fast, and super useful. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.